morning. I am Esther Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic on landslides. As we all know, landslide is nothing but the movement of the soil or rock or any other environmental debris that is falling from the upward to the downward movement is called as the landslides. These landslides are most commonly due to the many calamities, natural calamities such as heavy rainfall or due to the earthquakes or due to the volcanic eruptions. These type of landslides are happening nowadays. Mainly it is due to the rainfall, heavy rainfall areas. These type of landslides are happening. Next one is the landslides. In this picture we can see the debris flow from the top of the land to the pond area due to the gravitational movement of the rock surface. These landslides are most common in the area where the soil is more cohesive. Cohesiveness is nothing but the water absorption of the soil will be more when compared with the other soil area or the other rock surfaces. The absorption, that is the porosity, will be more in these type of areas. The vegetation will be more. The plants that are growing in the area will absorb more water, so that the area will be more area will contain more moisture content, so that there will be no strong strength in the soil surface. So when there is a heavy movement or due to the rainfall or maybe due to the earthquake or maybe due to the volcanic eruption, and the soil surface or the rock surface will move from the upward to the downward layer. It is called as the landslide. This type of landslide is most common in the area where the hilly stations. In hill stations, the landslides are most common in that place. Next one is the types of landslide. First one is slide plane. The first one, in the slide plane, the layer where the one plane is moved from the layer to the from the upper surface to the downward surface, that is called as the side plane. Next one we can see single rotational area, where this only single layer is moved from their part to the downward movement. Next we can see the rock topple. Rock topple is nothing but the movement of the rocks due to the curved movement. The movement will be in curved rotational movement, is called as the rock topple. Next one is curved plane, where single rotational slump is happening. Single rotational slump is nothing but only a particular area will be moved due to the rock surface. The surface of the rock may be weaker in condition, so that the only single part of the rock surface is moved from one place to the downward movement. Next one is the block slide. Block slide is nothing but it is the movement due to one area of the rock is moved to the other area, is called as the block slide. Next one is mud flow. Mud flow is nothing but the soil movement from the upward to the downward, is called as the mud flow. Mud flow is nothing but due to the heavy rainfall. This type of mud flow will be happening. It is called, these are the types of landslides that we can mostly see in the hill stations and in the area where the water absorption is more. These areas can be protected by constructing a revetment or constructing a walls to prevent the landslides from the landslides. In order to protect the area from the landslides, revetment walls can be constructed. Next one we can see it is the pictorial representation of the first one is rotational landslides, where the landslide is rotational in layer, that is the movement of the landslide will be in curved motion. Next one is Translational landslide. Translational landslide is nothing but the movement is translational, is in transverse manner. Next one is block slide. Block slide is nothing but a particular part will be departed from the rock surface is called as the block slide. Next one is rock fall. Rock fall is nothing but the movement of the rock. A particular rock from the area is moved due to the movement of the area is called as the rock fall. Next one is topfall. Topfall is nothing but the movement of the rock surfaces may due to the earth natural calamities. These type of topfall landslides may be happened. Next one is debris flow. Debris flow is nothing but the soil movement is called as the debris flow. Next one is the debris avalanche. That is nothing but the heavy movement of the debris is called as the debris avalanche. Next one is earth flow. Earth flow is nothing but the movement of the soil surface that flows in a watery manner is called as the earth flow. This type of earth flow is happen only when the region is affected by a heavy rainfall. Next one is creep. Creep is nothing but a part layer, a small part of the layers of the area is damaged is called as the creep. Next one is lateral spread. Lateral spread is nothing but the area of the landslide is happening where the lateral surface, that is the horizontal surface of the layer is damaged is called as the lateral spread. Next one is rock flow. It is the representation of the rock flow. Rock flow is nothing but the rock that flows from the upward to the downward due to the gravitational forces called as the rock flow. Next one is landslides. Landslide is nothing but a block of the rock that is sliding from the top of the layer to the bottom layer is called as the landslides. Next one is mudslide. Mudslide is nothing but the movement of the soil surface from the upward to the downward movement. Next one is the slumping. Slumping is nothing but a saturated soil slump along with the curved plain area is called as the slumping. Thank you.